Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video we're going to be talking about and demonstrating how to link up your DJI RC Pro 2 to your iPad to use it as a second display. There will be links to everything that I'm using here today in the description. One note is very important to hook everything up in the order I'm about to demonstrate. Otherwise it doesn't work so well. So we'll get to it, but I just want to take a second to tell you about the giveaway that I'm doing on my channel. So I'm doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Once I reach 2,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away a DJI Mic Mini kit with a mobile receiver. This kit's pretty cool. You can use it with any phone that has a USB-C port. As you probably know, iPhones don't work and iPads don't work with Bluetooth in the native camera app. So this gets you around that and pretty much anything with a USB-C port. So to enter, all you have to do is like and subscribe to my channel and comment on this video. Good luck, everyone. Thanks for watching. Alright, so first things first, I like to mount my iPad to the tripod. This is a magnet from Small Rig. I use a lot of Small Rig stuff, but just got a cheap Amazon case here, and I have an adhesive metal ring that makes it stick to the MagSafe magnet. And so I get it mounted like that, makes it easy for the client or a friend, whoever, to see it. Then next thing you're gonna do is open the Orion app. Download that at the Apple Store. So what I've got here is a Ugreen HDMI capture card. This isn't just a converter, or well, it's not just a adapter. It's actually a capture card. Super important. If you just use an adapter, USB-C to HDMI, it doesn't work. Same thing with just using the cord. This is pretty essential. So you could just go ahead and plug that into there, into the USB-C port, and now we're connected to the cord. And this is iPad Pro 13-inch M4. Pretty sure this works with all the USB-C iPads. Next, I've got USB-C to HDMI or HDMI to USB-C cord that I just plug right into there, and it says no signal. So notice my RC Pro 2 is off. Go ahead and plug it in. I've already got my drone turned on. That doesn't really matter if you turn it on first or last. So got your cord plugged in. Just go ahead and open/turn on your remote, and in just a moment is it'll start mirroring the screen. Voila, just like that. So, and you know, just fly your drone, and it's just gonna, you know, you're gonna see on this what you see on the screen. And what you can do with that, you just have your friends be able to see. But sometimes I would like to let the client help frame their own shot, so they can see without having to look over your shoulder. And that's, you know, kind of annoying to have someone looking, you know, over your shoulder. So there you have it. This also works on the RC2 controller. I've already made a video about that quite a while back, but I just got the RC Pro and wanted to see if it worked for that. So it does, and there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't be forgetting to like and subscribe, leave a comment, get yourselves entered in the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Thanks for watching, guys.